Hey everyone, today I'm going to talk about can you DM direct message someone on threads? So stick around till the end to find out how communication works on this platform and what your options are. So let's dive in. So currently, Threads does not have a direct messaging feature. This means you cannot send private messages to other users within the app. But don't worry, there's a workaround. If you want to DM someone, just head over to Instagram and search for the person you want to send the message and then send them a DM directly. It's that simple. Now you might be asking, why does not Threads have DMs? Well, Thread is still a new app, and Meta is likely refining its features. While DMs are not available right now, there's a good chance they could be added in the future. After all, to compete with the platforms like Twitter, Threads will need to keep growing and improving. For now, Threads is all about public conversations and sharing your ideas with the world. So enjoy engaging on the app, and if you need to chat privately, Instagrams get you covered. So that's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.